So we've gone to move the motorhome and a load of diesel's poured out. Looks like it was coming from a line at the back, but it's a red herring. We've looked in here and it's coming from the fuel filter housing. So we're going to take the sensor off, hopefully take these pipes off so we can get a better look. You're going to have so much diesel peeing out that the US will probably want to invade. You have to push the little collars, or push the collar towards the housing like that, and then pull the pipes out to get it out. It's probably best if you actually take the light out. It'll probably give you a bit more room, but I'm teaching my son how to fix things, and one of the number one things as a man is you struggle and struggle and struggle, throw a spanner at something and then do it the way that would have been easier in the first place. Occasionally give your wife saying, don't say it, but this is how fixing things works. So my fat head's blocking the line. But anyway, we're going to get these pipes off. We're going to see if it's an O-ring or it's cracked. If it's cracked, we'll order a new one. If it's just an O-ring or been cross-threaded when it's been put back on or something, we'll try and fit it back on. I'm guessing it's cracked or damaged because we've just come back from a 2,000-mile trip in it. So, and I didn't notice it leaking then. Right, we'll let you know. So we've got the top pipe off as well. Now we're just going to unhook it from there. I think there's going to be a clip down the bottom. Eli, mate, do you want to come and hold this?
Yep.
Cheers, you watch, we'll probably need to get a flipping screwdriver in or something to undo the tab because I can't see it. Right, you got the video? Yep. So on the bottom, there's just like a little metal tab. So you get a screwdriver in it, pop it out, and then it just slides off dead easy. That's how you get the bottom tab out. So now we're going to inspect the fuel filter housing. See, it's all coming out that hole. I think that's where the leak is, look. No, it was actually coming out, seeping, but well, gushing through the top. So there's a good tightness on there. So pound to a penny. It's buggered up somewhere. They're about £8 online. To be honest, just for the sake of ordering one, popping it back in and plugging it all back in rather than try and take it apart and inspect it. That's what we're going to do. If you wanted to take it apart and inspect it, it could be that it just needs a replacement O-ring in there. Something's got awry and stressed it, twisted. I mean, there's not much that can move in there, but failures do happen. So you could probably take that off and replace the O-ring, see if that works. But for £80, we're probably just going to replace the fuel filter housing. So we've got a new filter, and we're going to do everything in reverse. So we're going to put this bottom clip on. Make sure you don't lose your little metal clip from when you take it off. We're going to put the bottom clip on. Then we're going to put the fuel going into the back, and then the fuel line at the top there, and seat that in there. And then you can't start it straight away. You have to sort of start it but not turn it over, start it not turn over, start it not turn over. You'll keep hearing clicking, and what that's doing is priming the filter, filling it up with fuel. Right, so let's see if we can give this a go. Oh, and there's normally, I don't know if there is in this one, don't know if that'll clip straight in, but normally they have like a little protector thing in there. This one doesn't look like it's got them.
Does it seat onto the back?
So they stitched it. So it will clip in if you've got I haven't got a lamp on me. Someone will grab a lamp, and it will just hook into the back here. We've just taped these wires up so they don't fall down into the engine and get lost forever. I can't see, mate. Sorry. Cheers. So let's find this bottom. Well, let's undo this Gorilla tape first that we used to tape up the cables, which I can't see because I ain't got a lamp. Let me just try and do it.
I'm gonna go get a lamp now.
Yeah, no worries. Proper preparation and planning. We do neither. Look at that. All the way in there. Like that. I've got to try and clip this behind it. I'm in that bit there. Are we in? We're in. So then I need some light there now. I'm going to try and plug this one in the back. And then pull the front fuel going around the front there. I think this one goes up there. So if I can seat it in first, in there, and then clip that in. Why you go down a bit further? Just a little bit further. Hey, so we got that in, but it fell out of its seat. And got hopefully this one in. That's clicked in there, but it's not in its seat, which is there. So can we get that to sit in there? We're sitting in now. So that should leave that last connector. This one here, which I believe goes
probably the hardest part.
Up this way. Can you see that connector there, mate? So in there, and then we should lock it over.
The yellow bit.
Hopefully lock it over. I think one locks outwards, one locks inwards, like that.
There we go.
Now we should be in. Is that fuel there?
Easy.
That fuel there.
In theory.
In theory. We don't know if that was the problem or if it's going to work yet. We just think that's the problem. So now, let's go listen for some clicks when we turn the engine on. We're not going to turn it over. If you come in, you should be able to hear the clicking.
Yeah, we'll come in.
Right. So basically, just for the video, what we're going to do, we're going to turn it on but not over, and we should hear like a pumping sound coming from here, or an electrical sound that's priming it, but my ears...
Out there?
Yeah, that's what it's doing, it's pumping it, but my ears are tone deaf. So do you want to get your ear down here? Yeah. You can do...
Sorry.
We're out the lamp now. Right, ready? Yeah. Ready? No electrical or pumping or sucking sound at all, no?
No, not in here. I heard something out there.
You heard it ticking out there, like tick, 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 like it's priming out there, yeah?
Let me go again.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
I can hear liquid flowing.
Yeah, that's what we're after.
I can hear it down here going.
Yeah. You can hear it, yeah? That's
Yeah,
it.
I heard that the whole time. I thought you meant clicking.
No,
I
it's
heard
basically,
that.
yeah.
I heard that. It was like.
So it's sucking fuel through the system.
Yeah, I heard that.
And we've got to wait till the pot of fuel is full. Right, I'm going to turn it off again. We're going to go again. Ready?
Yeah.
You can hear it, yeah? I can't hear anything, but... Not leaking, but filling up the pot. Yeah. So this is what we want to keep doing. You can't just start it straight away because it's not going to work. So you need to turn the engine on but not turn it over, and that should suck the fuel into the pot to fill it up.
But we need to fill up the tank though with that bit of diesel.
Yeah, because we're virtually on empty as well. So let's go put some diesel in it. We've got 20 litres over there. Let's fill up the tank and then we'll come back and we'll see if it starts. So we just put the little charger pack on it just in case, but we can still hear it, the pump engaging when we turn it on. So we just want to make sure that it is fully filled up, that fuel pot, before we try and start it. Can you still hear it? I'm tone deaf. Right, let me try again. 1 second. Hear anything?
Yep.
Can you hear? Does it sound like it's trickling in out there, like it's filling up? Should we give it a go at turning it over?
Yeah.
Let's give it a go. So it's done the whirring twice now. And this is the third time lucky.
Hey!
So we whirred twice and it didn't quite suck it through, but we're on now. So we'll leave that charging for 10 minutes. It's got some fuel in there. And let's go see if it's pissing out the front still. Eli, come this way.
I'll come it.
Left me walking stick. No leaking.
Hey! That was from the last time it leaked.
No leaks. Well, yeah, that's from last time.
That's from last time, yeah.
Happy days.
Perfect.
And that's how you do it.